Okay, this video we're going to learn how to make this part, and you will notice they have it has 13 holes with the angle, and have a 2 slot which is symmetric. Let's go right to it. Part. Okay, and unit height inch per second, but I'm gonna do some changes. Go to tools, options. Click document property. Make sure the draft standard is ANSI unit. Make sure that it's inch per second. Also, the decimal place is 3 decimal place. Okay, I'm going to go to right view, make a sketch, draw line command. Start from origin, go horizontal to the right, and go up. Hit enter twice. And I want to draw this horizontal part and the vertical line the same length. So what we do is I'm going to click this line and hit Control, click the vertical line and release Control. You will notice that the relationship called make relationship. At the relationship, also if you look at the left column, you have line 1 and line 2. You also have this relationship. Easiest way that you just click this one, click equal. So both lines will have the same length. Now I'm going to use the smart dimension. Add this dimension 0.7. You will notice this is fully defined because the height and this width are the same, so we're good to go. And previously, if you recall, when we use extruded base, typically is a closed profile, a rectangle, a circle, or triangle. Now we only have 2 lines. That means it is open. When it's open, when we use extruded base, it actually make a seam feature. Okay, well, let's click feature, go to extruded base. Now if you notice that is the seam feature is on. Okay, let's go to direction 1, middle plane, and the depth is 7, and thickness here that is 0.09. Thickness is 0.09, and yeah, hit enter. And make sure that is the auto fillet is corner is on. That is 0.09 as well. Hit enter. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Okay, actually at this point, if you notice that is the object is below the origin. The origin right here, the object is below the origin. Okay, so I'm going to click reverse direction here again one more time. Now that is the object is above the origin. Okay, so you need to check this a couple times. Make sure the profile, make sure the object is above the profile. Okay, so click check. Now we finish this. Now hit F. So we finish this part. Next one that is, I'm going to click this surface and make a sketch. Go to view orientation, number 2, and zoom in here a little bit, make a little bigger. Click circle, draw a circle over here. Smart dimension. The diameter of the circle is 0.19. 0.19. Hit enter. Click the center of the circle. Click the origin. This one is 3. Click the center of the circle. Click this edge. It's 0.25. Now it's fully defined. Click feature, extruded cut. Direction 1, through all. Okay. Now that is hit F, your keyboard, and if you notice that we make a a first hole. Also, you will have a smooth corner over here. Okay. So now we're gonna drill 13 holes. How do we do this? Of course, we probably do not want to drill 13 holes one by one. So what I'm gonna use the pattern. So make sure you cursor at cut extrude 1 and go to click linear feature. And the direction 1, make sure you click this front edge, click this edge, and the spacing for this one is 0.5. How many holes we want to have? We want to have 13 holes. And good. Click this. Okay. Now click fit. Now we finish this 13 holes. Next one, we're going to drill 3 holes on this plane. Click this one. Let's make a sketch. Normal tool. Zoom in a little bit here. Click circle. And hole. Smart dimension. The same dimension, 0.19. And from the center to the origin, and this is 3. From the center to the top edge, it's 0.25, and a fully defined feature. To do the cut through all. Click OK. Hit F on our keyboard, and we finish this one. We do the same thing. Make sure your this cut extrude tool is selected. Go to pattern. This time, the direction 1, we're going to choose this edge. And the spacing for this is 3. We only need 3 holes. Click OK. So we finish this 3. And if you notice that this edge is really sharp, we want to make some corner. So what I do that is, I'm going to click this edge, and click this edge. And you will see the fillet is on. Click this fillet, and then make sure you choose this diameter. The radius is 0.25, and click this corner as well. And zoom out, zoom in, zoom out, then zoom in this corner. Click this one, and click this one. It remembers the previous radius. Click OK, hit F. So we finish this part. Next step, that is, we're going to make a slot here and a slot here. Because it's symmetric, we're going to learn how to use a mirror to do the symmetric. Okay, so I'm going to do that is click this surface. Again, make a sketch, and click normal tool. And also I'm going to go to the view. View style, that is the hidden line removed, so you can see everything. And okay, next one, I'm gonna choose this line called a center line, and start from origin, go up somewhere here. Okay, now hit enter twice. That is create our center line. Okay. Select this line, make sure this line is selected, and go to Tools, Sketch Tools, go to Dynamic Mirror. If you notice that I have 2 parallel over here, that means this will become a mirror line. Start from this point, everything you draw will be automatically mirrored on both sides. Okay. So I'm gonna draw I'm gonna click a slot. Make sure you choose a straight slot. Make a first click over here, second click over here, and move cursor a little bit away, something like this. would be good. If you notice that it on the right hand side, it does that automatically, mirror that automatically for you. Okay, next one, and we're going to we're going to make sure that this radius and this radius should be the same. Okay, so I'm going to click this slot, click this check. I'm going to click this half circle. No, this one is good. Okay, I'm going to click this circle and hit enter, hit control, click this half circle and release. Once again, that is for this one, I'm going to make equal. Once again, you can use the left column as well. So that makes sure that this radius and radius is the same. Next one, that is, I'm going to click this the top, this point on the end of the point. Now hit control. Now click this circle. Then choose concentric. It will bring the line, it will bring down the line to the point that is at the center of this circle. Now that is, I'm going to click this point, the center of the circle, and hit control, and click the center of this half circle, and release your control. Oh no, I didn't do it right. Let's do it one more time. Click your workspace over here first. Make sure that is this one is orange. Make sure this one point in the orange. Make a click. No, let's do it the other way. Okay, click the center of this one. Hit control. Click the center of this one. The end point of this one. No, did not get that one. Let me zoom in. Okay, now we have 2 points. Now I'm going to choose make horizontal. Okay, so now that is, we make this one and the same line at the same horizontal level. All right, next step, I'm going to use the smart dimension. This one is 2. Click this point to this point. That's 1. Now it says fully defined. And if you look at here, currently we only have 2 dimensions, but it's fully defined because we make sure this is the same as this one in terms of the radius. Also, this line and the center at the same horizontal level. So we only need 2 dimensions. And click features. Extrude the cut. And I'm going to cut through all. Click this screen check. If I rotate it, you will be able to see we just make this this part. So we use the symmetry to make this part. And now go back to the isometric view. Go back to display style. So we finish this part. All right. Yeah, we finish it. Let's go ahead and save. Once again, then you go back to the file folder and then make sure you, for this one, the file name is angle 13 holes. Angle 13 holes. All right, see you in next video.